The decreases in employee numbers will be made through a combination of what I'll call opportunistic measures, that is normal attrition, but more importantly through strategic decisions. And so these actions are summarized in this table, this next table. So I want to go through this with you in some detail. There are 7 categories of actions listed down the left-hand side, and then the numbers of faculty and non-faculty employees that will be assigned to each of those action categories, if you will. So first of all, we have a number of open lines, and so we'll capture some of those open lines. The numbers that you see there reflect a portion of the open lines that are out there in the academic areas or out there in the non-academic areas. There are currently about 50 faculty open lines on campus and about 30 open non-faculty lines, but we're not going to capture all of those through that mechanism, but we will capture the numbers that I've shown there. Secondly, enrollment-based adjustments. Certain academic programs are essential to our mission and our identity, but they have experienced significant enrollment reductions and are therefore slated for staffing adjustments on a program-by-program basis. So these include a set of programs that I'll list off here: journalism, anthropology, English, geography, liberal studies, art, political science, forestry management, and the Missoula College programs of carpentry, building maintenance, and recreational power equipment. The deans will work together collectively within that set of programs to identify where these specific numbers will come from. Now, reductions in teaching faculty in those areas will require some enforcement on the part of the deans with respect to several parameters. Class size limits will be increased in certain cases, maintaining compliance with accreditors, of course, and with health safety concerns in those areas where applicable. Minimum class sizes will be enforced where needed. Tenured and tenure-track faculty will take on a little more responsibility for teaching of lower division coursework in some areas. More courses will need to be offered during expanded hours and evenings to accommodate the needs of students and to gain efficiencies in our physical resources like classrooms. Online offerings will be increased. And we will exercise all reasonable flexibility, of course, to ensure that students are not unduly affected.